You've been scrolling around the internet or you've been in talks with other contractors, and now you're starting to hear these things about gutters and watering and that it can prevent foundation problems. Is this a myth or is this something that truly works? So the question is, will gutters and watering prevent problems with my home's foundation? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've gotten this question quite a few times since I've been doing inspections here for the past couple of years, and have learned a lot of things about watering and gutters and what they are able to do for your home. So to answer your question, it's really a yes and a no. It's not a guarantee to prevent any foundation settlement from occurring. It definitely can help. Like I said, it is not going to guarantee that foundation problems won't occur on your house. It's not a magical fix-all when it comes to preventing foundation problems. There's been many of folks that have done the most extravagant watering systems around their house and gutters, and they can still end up with foundation problems. It's just the nature of our expansive clay soils here in the area. They're very difficult to manage and maintain, and sometimes it just takes a toll on these homes. What should you do from here? Well, you're probably most likely thinking in one of two ways here. Either number one, you're thinking you do have an active foundation problem going on. Number two would be maybe you're just more thinking of preventative maintenance type stuff. You just want to get some watering going on and just see if that'll help prevent any future foundation problems from showing up. To help out with all of these, we're going to put a couple links down in the description here. Number one will actually take you to the top 10 myths versus truths article. That is where this main myth is going to be addressed. We also have a separate article that we're going to post down here, and that one's all going to be about foundation watering and what it is able to do for your home and what it can't do as well. And lastly, if you are one of those folks that we just mentioned that is really thinking they have an ongoing foundation problem and you live here in the Central Texas area, feel free. We're going to put a link down in the description here that'll take you to a guide that covers just about everything about foundation repair.